Gordon was proven to be the fastest engine. Or is he really that proven to be the fastest engine? Who knows?
Wait. Oh, wait, we're using stock foot. Why? Hey. You've broken the record again, me friend. Who says I am the fastest? Making you understand.
Speed isn't everything, you idiot.
But being reliable is. You slow folks won't understand something.
Then the fat man that devoured all the food came.
Okay, I need your orders to go through and buy the jet.
What's the jet?
I was saying the jet engine, though. It makes hot air.
And like you can blow up a balloon by using that.
And I'll grab it now.
It was eventually that Thomas had carried on, but secretly he wanted to go as fast.
Oh, look, there's Donald. Oh, God.
Okay. Am I clearing my throat? Okay. And we got through the jet engine. It was shiny and modern. And it looked so as fat as the fat man himself. I mean, come on. I haven't got all day, Cranky. Will you just hurry up already? I'm going to die.
You're going to starve for death.
I want my...
Well, fine.
Uh-oh. Oh, no. It's getting bigger. Oh, God. Oh, no. It's lighting. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Help. Help. Help.
Why am I smiling? It's just... wow. Why?
Wow! Clear the lines. There's a runaway train coming. Wow!
Woo-hoo! I've never gone this fast in my life.
Wow! Holy crap, what was that?
Whoa! What was that?
Whoa! Oh, jeez, what was that? Oh, God. Maybe I was seeing things. Oh.
Oh, okay, I was gonna say,
Whoa! I'm the fastest engine also.
meanwhile, we see cut to Gordon.
I'm the fastest. Woo! I am the fastest. Hi, Gordon. Bye, Gordon. What the fastest? Is that one of the jet engines bought by the fat man? I cannot even believe he's cheating on me.
Soon the jet engine started to decrease its power. And Thomas back to his own power thought, oh well. I was just being an idiot. Okay, never mind. That was Cranky's fault. But okay, let's move on to the story itself. Stop breaking the fourth wall, Thomas. Okay. Alright. I'm proving the fastest.
You just overtook me with a jet engine. Probably moving the fastest by now.
No, Henry, that's not true.
Well, I wasn't even seeing things after all. Oh, God, I think I'm going to get myself a jet engine by now. I want one. Probably that you were proving yourself.
Literally, overtake me.